Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss 10 best words that can be used in place of happy. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word that can be used in place of happy is blissful, which means to experience perfect happiness. Second word is cheerful, which means to visibly be happy or optimistic. Third word is content, which means to experience peaceful happiness or satisfaction. Fourth word is delighted, which means to experience pleasure. It can also be used for someone who is filled with wonder. Fifth word is ecstatic, which means to experience great excitement or happiness. Sixth word is elated, which means to be extremely happy, or it is also used for someone who is in high spirits. Seventh word is euphoric, which means to experience intense happiness. Eighth word is exultant, which means to be triumphantly happy. Ninth word is jocular, which means to experience happiness that is characterized by good humor. 10th word is jovial, which means to be cheerful, friendly, or in a good mood. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.